In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the icon and type something in a callout in Notion. If you're an avid Notion user, whether for organizing your workspace, managing wikis, documents, or projects, you've likely come across the callout block feature. These blocks are excellent for emphasizing important information, but occasionally, the default icon or placeholder text can be a tad distracting. So today, I'm going to guide you through the simple steps to remove the icon and share some insights about the placeholder text. This process is quick and will help maintain a clean and professional look for your workspace. First, let's begin by accessing Notion. Head to notion.so and log into your account by clicking Login at the top right corner of the page. If you prefer using your Google account, you can just click Continue with Google and select the account linked to your Notion workspace. This makes it super convenient and saves time if you already have your Google credentials ready. Once you're inside your workspace, navigate to the page where you want to add or edit a callout. Click into a blank text area and type callout. This is the Notion command to insert a new callout block. Once you've done that, press Enter, and voila! A new callout block will appear on your page. By default, you will notice that the callout comes with a light bulb icon. If you'd prefer to remove it for a cleaner presentation, simply click on the icon. You'll see an option labeled Remove. Click that, and the icon will disappear instantly. This minor adjustment can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your page by keeping it uncluttered. Now, let's address the placeholder text. Previously, Notion displayed Type Something inside the callout, but after a recent update, this placeholder text has been removed. This means you can start typing right away without the need to delete anything first. It's a small change, but it makes the process more streamlined and efficient. If you want to make your callouts even more eye-catching, consider using highlighted text within the block. You can do this by selecting your text, clicking the A icon in the toolbar, and choosing a background color. Highlighted text is especially useful for drawing attention to key points in any document. And that's it. You've now learned how to remove the icon from a callout in Notion and enjoy the cleaner layout without the placeholder text. Notion is all about customizing your workspace to fit your style and needs, so don't hesitate to experiment with different block types, formatting tools, and layouts. These small tweaks can make a big impact on how organized and visually appealing your setup becomes. Thanks for watching, and happy Notioning!